Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the gallery on the ONYX Boox Go 6. So if you want to access the gallery to see all of the pictures saved on your device, what you can do is go to the Apps tab and then go to the Gallery app, and here is where you'll have all of the photos. So all of the photos that you've saved, they're going to be right here. I have 2 photos of the books that I've downloaded, like the book covers, and there they are. And well, that is pretty much it. You can use the photos, you can edit them, share them, or even delete them. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.